ST. You're using WhatsApp WRR on G.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wait, you use WhatsApp every day, but do you know these 10 hidden features actually exist? No. Then watch this video till the end because after this you will use WhatsApp in a completely different way. Feature 1, Secret Chat Log. First feature is Secret Chat Log. Now you can lock your private chat and hide them inside a secret folder. Lock chat. To access it, if you simplify, swipe down on your chat list. Anyone who opens your WhatsApp will not those locked chat. They stay complete hidden. Feature 2, Secret Code. After locking your chat, you can create a separate secret code. This code is different from your so even if someone know your phone password, your private chats are still fully secure. Feature 3. Now you can edit message from after spending them. Just long press the message and tap edit. The other person will see that the message was edited. Feature 3. Edit sent message. Now you can edit message after spending them. How are you? Just long press the message and tap edit. The other person will see that the message we edited. So this feature is useful for fixing mistake, not for secretly changing message. Feature 4, HD photo sharing. WhatsApp usually compresses photo and reduce quality. But now you can send photo in full HD. You can also set HD quality as default so your photo always stay clear and sharp. Feature 5, hide online status. Now you can hide your online status from specific people. Before it was either visible to everyone, no one. But now you can choose exactly who can see you are online. Feature 6, use WhatsApp without phone. Now you can use WhatsApp or multiple devices without keeping your phone connected. You can use it on a laptop, tablet or another phone completely independently. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below which feature did you like the most. Thanks for watching.
Which one is your favorite? Follow for more hidden tricks.